Eliminex here. We're doing a squirrel rescue this morning. It's in the 20s. The temperature's in the 20s. Doesn't look like it because there's no snow. And I just replaced a trap. This trap's been here for 24 hours. And usually something like that, if a squirrel got trapped outside, it would be compromised in this cold weather with the wind and everything. The squirrel likely wouldn't live in this temperature, but because of this container I have, he's nice and healthy. He's in there having a good time. Put food and water in there, and also they're safe from other predators like raccoons and fox, because usually when you have the trap out in the open and you catch a squirrel, then raccoons and fox will go after the trap and stress out the squirrel, or it would die just from the stress of that. So these containers are pretty cool, and I got a new one set up here. Center it so the squirrel will go right in there and get trapped. And this way I can take this one out now. And an animal did get into this box, so now there's a possum, and I caught that possum, so I put a rock on this one now so the animals won't be able to tear into it when they're trying to get to the squirrel. Okay, have a good day.